Here is the Envirofan 60-FBR brown. It's amazing to me that these are still sold to this day. These are probably some of the only ceiling fans still in production that are actually worth buying. They're great quality fans with a super classic, nostalgic design and appearance. It really hasn't changed much at all over the years. I bought two of these with the intent of putting them into the garage. Well, the more I think about it, I envision 3 of these in the living room maybe someday. I got these from Air Distributor. I bought from them before. It's a very good retailer. So it comes in 2 boxes. I'm not sure why. It's just a box within a box. Both Envirofan branded, which is interesting. Okay, so this is the real box, and there's some, well, this energy guide baloney up at the top, and this one claims to move 7,269 CFM, which is much more reasonable than some of the ratings that you see on some of the other models, like I think the 160F. Which would be this one. They claim it moves like 43,000 CFM or something just astronomically ridiculous. This is it's not a gold line, I think it's a silver line. Let's see. Doesn't have CFM ratings on there. Alright, so here's the fan itself. The blades. Looks like the mounting assembly or something is coming apart. It came with the J-hook mount and the electrical box mount, which is pretty cool, and another J-hook mount. So it came with 3 different mounts. And then here is, oh no, I guess it is a gold line. Here is the motor itself. Beautiful brown, classic brown finish. Let's see if we have a date on here. Is impedance protected. Unfortunately, it's made in China. Ooh. But they're still great quality fans. And it looks like here's the date code over here, 2021-12. So it was just made about a year ago. That is really cool. It's actually kind of beat up on the bottom. That is really cool to see a... Oh dear. This is damaged. That's not good. Huh. Okay, not good. Not good. I'm gonna have to, oh jeez, that really stinks. Okay. I'm gonna have to call over there and see what they can do about that. Let's take a look at the blades. These big blades, very wide. Pretty good pitch to them. It's going to be a super sketchy install to get these into the garage because there's not a good clearance on the ceiling, so I'm going to have to do something kind of flaky where the like the beams are, I don't know, maybe that deep or so. So I'm going to have to put the box and everything above the drywall and then put the down rod through and do it that way, which is kind of a rig, but I don't know what else to do. You need the ceiling clearance. So apparently I'm going to have to call over air distributor and see what they want to do about this. Here I am talking about how great these are, and now this one is the Defective. And I certainly was not expecting that. It feels like the bearing is getting stuck somewhere. That's really odd. It just hangs in that one place. Yeah, it's one place along the thing. So there's a bad bearing somewhere. That stinks. Well, I'll call them up and see what they can do for me. I'm sure they'll make good on it. We'll keep video posted here, and I guess I better open up the other one and make sure that one's okay too. I'll do that off video and I'll type in the description box if it was okay or not.